Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate game mode, the low latency mode, on your EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation. So to do this, you have to simply grab the left earbud. The marking you can find right here next to this gold pins. And what you have to do, just click 3 times right here. So let's do this right now. 1, 2, 3. And right now you can hear the voice notification in your earbud. So I'm gonna do the same, but put it close to my ear. Yeah, so you will hear a notification, the game mode off or game mode on. And it means that you can basically use this quick shortcut to activate this feature. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.